What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cash and HD, man, and I'm back with another banger video. As you guys see by the title, y'all seen the last video I did on my cousin, the laxative prank, man. Today we got another prank coming. As you guys see, I got these little TNT firecrackers right here. We about to be putting them in a pot, and he's asleep right now. He spent the night at my house, so he's asleep right now. And we about to be lighting these things up, bruh, and getting his reaction. I don't know what he gonna do. I think he's just gonna jump up and like run or something. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, as you guys see, we have him right here. I don't want it to go everywhere. He's right here sleeping. Look at all these, bro. Look at all these firecrackers I have. He's right here, bro. He's sleeping. As you guys can see. I don't want him to wake up, so I'm being quiet. Hey, we gonna get his reaction. Y'all get this video like down below, man. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, as you guys see, he's still here sleeping. The bed is all the way down there, bro, so he doesn't see it. Y'all stay tuned, man. Fix this.
Oh shit! 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 Oh shit!
Yeah, no. Fuck, bro. What the hell? Fuck, bro. What the hell? What the hell? Bro, it's just a prank. Bro, it's just a prank. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. It's just a prank, bro.
What the hell? No.
What you thought it was?
Oh,
Fuck that boy up.
What the hell was it, man? What the hell was that? God damn. What the hell was that? God.
It's just a prank. It's a fire. Happy 4th of July, bro.
Hell no, man. I was sleeping, dog. I'm going back to sleep, man.
Yeah. Alright, y'all see, hey man, we just ended off the video, man. I'm gonna show y'all the aftermath about what happened to the pot. Here go the pot right here. As you, I can't even use this no more. Can't even use that, bruh. Look at that, y'all. It's all black in there, dusty. Look at my fingers. Hey, y'all, as y'all see, I just pranked him, man. Hey, it was pretty loud. I expected like more from him. I don't know how he reacted because I ran in the bathroom. You dig what I'm saying? Hey, so it was revenge. What you mean? I'm the prank master, bro. Ain't no revenge. Ain't no revenge on me. Y'all see that lighting? Hey, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, man, y'all seen Y'all seen his reaction. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. More pranks coming soon. I'm gonna switch it up, do a little challenge for y'all. Hey, you wanna do a challenge for him, man? We got a challenge coming, don't we? Yeah, we got a challenge coming. Hey, he said he gonna get me back. I don't know, cause I know when pranks coming, you dig what I'm saying? Hey, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all next time.
I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't nothing major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get